Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, a D3D11 compatible GPU is required to run the engine, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to download this DirectX software. And once you're done downloading it, you're going to open it up and you're going to install it. And after you're done installing it, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to write here view advanced system settings. After that, you're going to go into advanced and then you're going to go into performance, click on settings here, and here you're going to go into advanced, and now you're going to click on to change, and then you're going to untick automatically manage paging file size, and then click onto your drive where you have Fortnite on. So I'm going to select my C drive, and then you're going to click onto custom size here, and here you're going to put in 1024, and then you're going to multiply this value by how much memory you have. So if you have 16 GB like me, then you're going to multiply this value by 16 times. So I'm going to open up the calculator. 1024 multiplied by 16, this is the value I'm going to put. But if you have, let's say, 8 GB, you're going to put 1024 multiplied by 8 and you're going to put this value. And after you're done with that, you're going to click on to set here, and then you're going to click on to OK. After that, you're going to click OK again, click OK, and then what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you can go ahead and play Fortnite, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that D3D11 problem anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.